Good morning, Donnie.
Good morning, Tanya. How are you today?
I'm fine. I am happy because today is Friday.
Me too. Friday is my favorite day.
Do you have English class today?
Yes, in the morning. Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much.
Great. Let's sit together in class.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Let's buy some food. I want noodles.
I want fried rice. It is delicious.
Do you want to drink juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
What time do you go home today?
At 2 o'clock. And you?
The same. Let's go home together.
Okay, let's go. See you tomorrow at school.
See you. Look, there's a swing.
Yes, let's play on the swing.
Push me, please.
Okay, hold tight.
Now I want to play on the slide.
Me too. Let's go together.
Yes, it's fun.
The sun is going down.
Yes, it's time to go home.
See you tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir. Could you help me check the gate for flight 452 to Singapore?
Of course, ma'am. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Let me see. Flight 452 is departing from gate 12, and boarding will start at 2:15 p.m.
Oh, I see. Is there a shuttle to that gate, or do I need to walk?
You can walk. It's about a 5-minute walk from here. Just follow the signs.
Great. And is there a lounge nearby?
Yes, there's a lounge to your right after security. You can relax there while waiting.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Excuse me, sir. Which platform is the bus to Jakarta?
That would be platform 5. The next bus leaves at 2:30 p.m.
Thank you. How much is the ticket?
It's 120,000 rupiah for an economy seat.
All right. And can I buy it here at the counter?
Yes, you can buy it at the counter or online if you prefer.
Great. Thank you very much for your help.
Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Just one, please.
This way, please. Here's the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Sounds good. I'll have that and a glass of water.
Sure. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, not yet. Can I register now?
Of course. Please fill out this form.
Thank you. How long is the waiting time?
About 30 minutes. Please wait in the lobby.
Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The nurse will call your name soon.
Excuse me, do you sell apples?
Yes, fresh apples are here.
How much are they?
$2 for 1 kilo.
I also want milk.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay. Please pay at the counter.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.